For ages, the heli and fixed wing community have been asking for one specific feature. I saw it on the forums, I read it on Facebook, and you guys didn't hold back. A premium EdgeTX radio that didn't treat traditional aircraft pilots like an afterthought. Well, RadioMaster listened. This is the brand new RadioMaster GX15 MAX. This isn't just another FPV drone controller masquerading as a plane radio. Nope, RadioMaster built this from the ground up, specifically for aeroplane, glider and heli pilots. Today we're going to see if it actually delivers and how it stacks up. Let's address the most obvious design shift right away. The screen, it's on top. If you've flown with the TX15 or the TX16, you know the screen sits below the controls. If you're flying at quad via goggles, that's fine. The GX15 flips the script here. It features a gorgeous 3.5-inch IPS touchscreen pushing 600 nits of brightness right at the top. Your hands stay on the sticks and your telemetry remains entirely visible during flight. It completely changes the ergonomics. Now looking at the spec sheet, two major questions are going to pop up. Why are the antennas internal and why is it capped at 250 milliwatts? First, the antennas are hidden behind the display in a dual horizontal and vertical layout. This gives you true polarization diversity without bulky external antennas sticking out to get bent or snapped off in your gear bag. This radio runs dual SX1281 transceivers operating in Gemini 2.4 GHz on ExpressLRS. By keeping it 250 milliwatts, RadioMaster cut down on the extreme heat. They slashed the power consumption and allowed for a much cleaner RF design. Furthermore, for the heli pilots out there, this platform still supports F1000 ultra-fast update rates. When you pair this with a compatible flybarless receiver like the Nexus XR, the latency reduction is absolutely incredible. Under the hood, this is snappy. It's packed with a high-performance H7 processor, with a low noise fan and aluminium heat sinks to ensure rock-solid frequency stability on hot days at the airfield. Now there are two versions available, the standard GX15 and this right here, the GX15 MAX. Internally, they are identical, but the MAX upgrades you to the AGO2 CNC Hall effect gimbals, CNC aluminium buttons and the CNC scroll wheel, and a premium carbon look shell, or in my case a transparent grey. The stick feel on the AGO2s is incredibly smooth and precise, exactly what I've come to love and expect. You also get a built-in gyroscope for tilt-based inputs and interchangeable shoulder switch modules. So how do you choose? Well, if you already own the TX16 or a TX15 and you strictly fly FPV, or you just prefer the traditional layout of a radio, these are phenomenal radios and it's what I'm going to continue to use for my FPV flying. But the GX15 is not trying to replace these. But if you're a pilot whose primary joy is RC planes, gliders or scale helis, and you want a modern high-performance EdgeTX radio purposely built for how you actually look at your data, the layout optimization of the GX15 is absolutely a home run. It gives you the full power of Gemini ExpressLRS without being a drone-centric radio. That's it for this one. Thanks again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.